In this video, what I have here today is a furniture moving kit. I want y'all to check this thing out. I had got this because I'm going to be moving like refrigerators and tables and things like that, and I needed something to help it slide along a hardwood floor. And let's just show you what's in the kit here. You get these like satin top pads right here that you'll put under the feet to let it slide. You get some work gloves. They're very little stretchy work gloves, and you get a bag to contain all this. And in each one of these, you have a very strong, like casters that are on pads like this that'll roll around, and they have on and off. So you're going to use your foot right there to turn them on and off. See that? See how it's off and then it's on. So there's those, and it looks like you get 4 of these things. It's wanting to move a house and just kind of, well, move all the furniture in the house. Good luck moving the house. And this all right here is to give you extra leverage on like this pole. Will go in like this, like that, and it kind of gives you extra leverage for picking things up. And then these things will go up under feet and it helps slide around. Very cool, this little system. I had used it, like I set the table down on it, and then I slid my kind of coffee table that's pretty heavy. I put it on these things and it just slid right around and it worked perfect. Check this thing out. And this table's not light. This is a heavy table, and I have a bunch of junk under it. So you can see how easily I can move this table around. So if I want to go room to room, I could. And then you see how the casters work right there, and then there's a pill and stick pad that you need to put on it so they don't slide off. And then check this out. Look how just me by myself can move this around. So I'm gonna clean up under it. So look how easily I just lifted up one side, and this would work on like a stove, a refrigerator, or something like that. And that's the main use of what this kit would do is something super heavy. But I just wanted to show y'all using this table real quick. This is a great kit for anyone that's wanting to kind of like do a massive move job, or if you're like a mover and you just need a little extra assistance, you have that bag, you can load everything up and you're good to go. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the, the moving kit. Easy moving kit. See y'all in the next video.